In today's video, I'll be showing you how to access Devin AI. Now, if you weren't already aware, Devin AI is a brand new AI software engineer in early development, and it's designed to help real programmers code more efficiently. It can write code based on your instructions, it can debug errors and fix problems that you occur, and it can even potentially develop entire applications alongside you. So how do we go about accessing Devin AI? Now, the first thing you must do is head over to Google, and from here we can just search Devin AI. From there we can look for this website called devin.ai, and we can simply click on this to access Devin AI. We then get taken to this page, and as you can see down here, that says give Devin a task to work on. So if I do actually give it a prompt and click enter, where it allows us to request access to Devin. And to start with, we have to put in our email. So you can simply enter in your email in this box right here. From there, you want to say what you want to use Devin for. So if you're going to be using it to help with your coding, for example, you could put help with coding in here. From there, you want to share a little bit more about yourself, which is basically your own personal accounts. So if you're a YouTuber, for example, who wanted to make a video about Devin, you could simply enter your YouTube channel in here, and from there you can request access. Now, if you do go ahead and get given access from there, you can go down to the bottom and you can choose to log in with this link by clicking here. And from here, you'll be able to log in with either GitHub or Google, or if you signed up with an email address, you'll be able to enter that in here. And from there, you can enter in your password. So that's how you can get access to Devin AI. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.